Struggling with eye strain from bright screens? Or maybe you just love the sleek look of a dark interface. Today, I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on Google Finance in just a few minutes, making your browsing experience easier on the eyes and more stylish. First, head over to Google Finance. Whether you're tracking your investments, exploring market trends, or casually browsing, Google Finance is packed with valuable information, but that bright default theme can be harsh, especially in low light settings. Signing in is the next step. Click the sign in button, select your Google account, and enter your password. If you use two-factor authentication, follow the additional verification steps. Once logged in, you'll have access to a personalized experience tailored to your interests. Now, the real magic begins. Open the Chrome Web Store and search for a dark mode extension specifically designed for Google services. Choose a reputable one that works seamlessly with Google Finance. Then click Add to Chrome and confirm. After installation, go back to Google Finance. At first, nothing will change. That's normal. To activate the dark mode, click the extension icon at the top right corner of your browser and watch as the interface transforms into a sleek dark theme. This simple tweak not only makes browsing more visually comfortable, but also reduces eye strain, especially in low light environments. And if you ever want to switch back, you can easily toggle the extension off. With this setup, you can enjoy tracking stocks and analyzing the market day or night, all in style. Dark mode isn't just about looks, it's about comfort, clarity, and making your financial insights easier to digest. Give it a try and enjoy a refreshed Google Finance experience.